Okay, Avery, how are you today? I know you do. I have a question for you. Come over here with me. Can you see that on the floor? What is it?
Where?
Right there.
This?
Uh-huh. What is it?
Red.
It's red, yeah. How did that get there? Huh? How did that get on the floor?
Pick up that dress.
Pick up the dress. Is there more red underneath the dress? No, there's no more red. So how did that red get on the floor?
I didn't do that.
You didn't do it?
No.
Who did it? Who did that? Nothing.
Blue.
Blue, who did that?
Me.
Why did you do that?
I was drawing the stairs.
You did?
Yeah.
What is all that? Hmm?
Where?
On the wall. What color is all that?
Blue.
Yeah? Who did that?
I did.
Why did you do that?
I was drawing room.
You're drawing
Messy room.
A messy room. That is a drawing of a messy room, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that would make your room, wouldn't it?